We know the NSE 8_811 exam has been retired, so if you want to complete the Fortinet NSE 8 written exam, you need to take and pass the NSE 8_812 exam successfully. To pass your NSE 8_812 exam with ease, you can choose the new NSE 8_812 study materials of Killtest to make preparation well. Killtest NSE 8_812 exam questions features we have 60 practice questions and answers for learning. We provide you with PDF file and software app to read Q&As. We offer 1-year free update, so you will get the latest exam questions. We guarantee your success, otherwise, we will refund the full. You can check the quality of our Fortinet NSE 8 written exam NSE 8_812 study guide by reading the following NSE 8_812 free demo questions. 1. You want to manage a FortiGate with the FortiCloud service. The FortiGate shows up in your list of devices on the FortiCloud website, but all management functions are either missing or grayed out. Which statement is correct in this scenario? A. The management tunnel mode on the managed FortiGate must be changed to normal. B. The managed FortiGate is running a version of FortiOS that is either too new or too old for FortiCloud. C. The managed FortiGate requires that a FortiCloud management license be purchased and applied. D. You must manually configure System Central Management and the FortiGate CLI and set the management type to FortiGuard. Answer. D. 2. You are asked to add a FortiDDoS to the network to combat detected slow connection attacks such as SlowLoris. Which prevention mode on FortiDDoS will protect you against this specific type of attack? A. Asymmetric mode. B. Aggressive aging mode. C. Rate limiting mode. D. Blocking mode. Answer. B. 3. You are building a FortiGate cluster which is stretched over 2 locations. The HA connections for the cluster are terminated on the local switches in the data centers. Once the FortiGate devices have booted, they do not form a cluster. The network operators inform you that CRC errors are present on the switches where the FortiGate devices are connected. What should you do to solve this problem? A. Set the speed duplex setting to 1 gigabit per second, full duplex. B. Replace the cables where the CRC errors occur. C. Place the HA interfaces in dedicated VLANs. D. Change the ether type for the HA packets. Answer. D. 4. You want to access the JSON API on FortiManager to retrieve information on an object. In this scenario, which 2 methods will satisfy the requirement? Choose 2. A. Download the WSDL file from FortiManager Administration GUI. B. Make a call with the curl utility on your workstation. C. Make a call with the SOAP-UI API tool on your workstation. D. Make a call with the web browser on your workstation. Answer. AC. 5. A customer wants to enable SYN flood mitigation in a FortiDDoS device. The FortiDDoS must reply with 1 SYN ACK packet per SYN packet from a new source IP address. Which SYN flood mitigation mode must the customer use? A. SYN retransmission. B. SYN ACK cookie. C. SYN cookie. D. ACK cookie. Answer. C. 6. You are administering the FortiGate 5000 and FortiGate 7000 series products. You want to access the HTTPS GUI of the blade located in logical slot 3 of the secondary chassis in a high availability cluster. Which URL will accomplish this task? A. https://192.168.1.99:44322 B. https://192.168.1.99:44323 https://192.168.1.99:44313 DHTTPS://192.168.1.99:44302 Answer B. 7. A customer wants to integrate their on-premise FortiGate with their Azure infrastructure. Which two components must be in place to configure the Azure Fabric connector? Choose 2. A. FortiGate VM virtual appliance deployed on-premise. B. An inbound policy from the Azure FortiGate VM virtual appliance. C. An outbound policy from the Azure FortiGate VM virtual appliance. D. A FortiGate VM virtual appliance deployed in Azure. Answer CD. 8. You cannot ping the FortiGate default gateway 10.10.10.1 from the FortiGate CLI. The FortiGate interface facing the default gateway is WAN1 and its IP address is 10.10.10.254.24. During the initial troubleshooting tests, you confirm that you can ping other IP addresses in the 10.10.10.0.24 subnet from the FortiGate CLI without packets lost. Which two CLI commands will help you to troubleshoot this problem? Choose 2. A. Diagnose debug flow filter SADDR 10.10.10.1 Diagnose debug flow trace start 10. B. Diagnose hardware device info NIC WAN1. C. Diagnose IP ARP list. D. Diag sniffer packet WAN1, ARP and host 10.10.10.1 feet. Answer AC. 9. An organization has one central site and 3 remote sites. A FortiSIEM has been installed on the central site and now all devices across the remote sites must be centrally monitored by the FortiSIEM at the central site. Which action will reduce the WAN usage by the monitoring system? A. Enable SD-WAN FEC, forward error correction, on the FortiGate at the remote site. B. Install both supervisor and collector on each remote site. C. Install local collectors on each remote site. D. Disable real-time log upload on the remote sites. Answer C. 10. A customer is looking for a way to remove JavaScripts, macros and hyperlinks from documents traversing the network without affecting the integrity of the content. You propose to use the content disarm and reconstruction (CDR) feature of the FortiGate. Which two considerations are valid to implement CDR in this scenario? Choose 2. A. The inspection mode of the FortiGate is not relevant for CDR to operate. B. CDR is supported on HTTPS, SMTPS, and IMAPs if deep inspection is enabled. C. CDR can only be performed on Microsoft Office document and PDF files. D. Files processed by CDR can have the original copy quarantined on the FortiGate. Answer: CD.